Hi guys, ayan, at nandito kami sa park at kami ay magpipiknik kasama ang buong family. Ayan ang aking ina. Hi Ate Kim, hello. Ayan, nagsiset up na kami muna. Nagdala ako ng tent dyan para meron tayong silong. Well, napakahangin ngayon pero masarap, fresh air, diba? Hi! Hi ate! Ayan, malapit lang. Dito nakapark yung mga sasakyan. And dito kami mag-spot kami dyan. Hi! Hello! So, set up muna tayo ng tent dito guys.
Hi! Melon!
Hi!
Hello!
Hi guys! Ayan, lahat-lahat muna kami ng buko. Hi Bu! Anong meron yan? Hi! Father's Day! Hi!
Kain tayo!
Daddy, happy Father's Day! Daddy, happy Father's Day! Ayan, mag-iyaw-iyaw tayo mamaya. Hi guys, ayan, tatapos na namin kumain at dito kami sa mga playground. So, try ko mag-slide guys. Hi Disney! Pa-slide tayo guys.
Hi vlog! Dito tayo the biggest world of playground.
Ay, mag-slide tayo?
Yes!
Pasarin mo sa kanya.
Let's go sliding.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'm running from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want your body, yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Ice cream!
Around all these people trying to be someone better than you.
Tulit kang direct.
Ayun pala yun.
Huh? Sonic? Yeah, Sonic? Okay.
Thank you.
Ayun ba si Sonic? Wow, si Sonic!
Huwag galing na ice cream dito, ano?
Disney!
Taas mo naman.
Hi guys! Nasa playground kami ni Disney. Magpa-play kami. Grabe ang gulo ng buhok ko ah. Nakangin kasi dito guys. So tara. Slide tayo, Disney. Slide! Hi! Tara.
Upo ka. Sit properly ha.
O ayan, first time mag-slide ni Disney. Hapit kay Daddy. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Dito sa park na to guys is may water park. Kailangan nyo lang pindutin to. Oh, yun na, nagbukas. Let's go. Dadaan daw si Bu dyan sa... Kasi mahilig dito si Bu eh. Huwag lang sana sila mabasa.
Napakagandang talaga ng aking dalaga.
Hi guys! Ayan, nag-iyaw tayo ng talong. Ayan. Ayun pa yung isa na huli. At itong ang special natin ay swordfish steak. So ayan, pa-special nito sa i-grill natin siya. Let's go. Napakaganda oh. Tingnan nyo, napakaganda ng kulay oh. Napakasarap na ito guys. Tapos ayan, nakababad siya sa olive oil and salt lang. Yun pa lang eh. Tapos dadagdagan natin siya ngayon ng ito, meron tayo ditong parsley guys. Meron tayong parsley. Ito oh. Yan, lalagyan natin siya mamaya pag ginrill na natin and lagyan lang natin ng pepper. So, let's go. Dito pa pala guys. Meron tayong fresh lemon dito guys na gagamitin sa ating swordfish steak. Siyempre, pampalasa rin tong lemon guys eh. Stay tuned. So, yan, umpisa natin ng pepper. And parsley. So, pitikan lang natin ng konti. Mamaya, marami pa to, hindi natin to masisimot ngayon. So, ayan oh. Mamaya, magagamit pa natin to kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, marami pang laman yan. So, set aside lang natin. Halu-haluin lang natin to. Yun oh, napakaganda oh. Parsley, salt, pepper, olive oil. Yun lang naman yung kailangan dito guys eh. Salt, dagdagan lang natin para medyo malasa. Ayos na. So, tara, salang na natin to. Oh my goodness, napakabango. Ayan, amoy natin yung ano natin, swordfish steak.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hi Kuya! Hi Father's Day! Thank you! Hi!
If I could stop
Hi
the
Ate!
time, would you know
Ano masabi niyo? Happy Father's Day ngayon!
Happy Father's Day!
just loving this moment? Can we stay
Happy
here
Father's Day!
forever?
Thank you! I love you! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day to
Happy birthday! Father's Day siya, di Happy Father's Day! Hindi pa birthday mo, di ba?
Hindi pa birthday!
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite